welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing the Femi Beauty method using this Born Pretty Polygel. Just saying it's pink. It's holographic in real life, but you couldn't see it on camera. I'm using 2XL full cover tips that I got from Una Jello. I'm just going to be using her method to apply it on my right hand. I'm using alcohol to pat the polygel into place. And I am going to speed up me applying the full cover tips just so it doesn't get repetitive. And off camera, I filed around the cuticles and cleaned up the shape and any spilled over polygel. And I honestly didn't have a direction for the design. Only thing I knew was that I wanted pink. Just pink everything. So I got some holographic stickers, some pink squiggles right there, some Sailor Moon stickers in the back, and those pink charms, and some liner gels that I actually never end up using. Now, but me looking back at the video as I'm editing it, seeing those Sailor Moon stickers, it makes me want to redo that, horrible Sailor Moon set that I uploaded a few videos ago. Only because the actual recording of the video is old, a few months old. And it's just it's okay, it's decent, but I feel like it would be fun just to redo a whole bunch of my older nail designs, just to see if I gotten better or worse. And my hands were shaking so much through this damn video. I don't know if it's because I didn't have my glasses on, or it's because I was trying to do this using my non-dominant hand, but it was actually difficult. I'm using the Salviland glossy top coat and the McCart rhinestone glue to put on the charms. I'm using these clear crystals that I got from Amazon, I think. If I could find the link, I'll put it in the description along with everything else that I used, if I don't forget. And the handheld lamp is also from Savvyland. See how much I'm struggling trying to put these stickers on my hand? It's just shaking so much. I forget where I bought these squiggles? Am I gonna call them squiggles? These squiggles that I'm trying so desperately to get off of this sticker sheet. On this bow charm, I'm going to end up taking it off, and you're going to see that my middle finger is already going to be done, but I'm going to go back and redo it because it didn't fit the theme to me personally. I think it's because those cow print stickers was rose gold. I think if it was like silver or like white or like a light pink, it would have been fine. Or I could have just hand drawn it, but and I wasn't really feeling these pearl charms at first when I first seen them. When I first got them back in the mail, I don't know, I never really liked the look of them when I see like other people use it until I actually used them in this video. Then I was like, okay, I see the appeal to them. It's actually really pretty. I'm gonna see if I can find the link to them somewhere. I think I got them off of Aliexpress. I think I got most of the stickers in the background from Aliexpress. also wasn't wearing my glasses while I recorded this. I think that's also why I was shaking so much, because I just couldn't see anything. But I think I am going to recreate some of my old nail designs, especially like the ones that I didn't post, or like the ones in the very, very, very bottom of my Instagram, the ones that I archived. Because some of them were horrendous. Even like some of the ones I did last year, or even earlier this year, just I'm still not sure how I actually feel about my thumb. I wish, like, if I was going to redo this one or not, but if I was, I would have like changed the design around a little bit and left a finger blank, because like the thumb, it's okay, but like if I would have, like, I don't know, put my pointer, the design of my pointer finger on my thumb, then kind of shifted my middle and ring finger toward like, and just, I don't know, if I would just left the finger blank and just have the polygel, I don't know, it's okay. that. Like, this actually came out really pretty though. Like I said, my ring finger is my favorite on this set. Tell me if you like it or not.